Good afternoon, everybody. Today we are going to start a new topic, a crow in the house. Okay, a crow in the house. In last period, we have done all the question answers of the lesson compare a program. How to compare a program we have done, and its question answers we have completed. Now, next is a crow in the house. So you have heard so many stories about the crow. Okay. So this is the story of the crow. The young crow had fallen from its nest. The young crow had fallen from its nest and was fluttering about on the road in danger of being crushed by a cart or tanga or seized by a cat. So fluttering about on the road in danger of being crushed by any car or cart or tanga or seized by a cat. When I picked it up and brought it home, so author picked the crow up and brought it at home. It was in a sorry condition, beak gapping and head dropping, and we did not expect it to live. So ऐसे इंज्योर था कि वो रहेगा ही नहीं, ऐसे लगा था. We did not expect it to live. But grandfather and I did our best to bring it round. लेकिन हमने grandfather और मैंने बहुत उसकी care ली तो bring it round. We fed it by in a little bread and milk. छोटा सा bread और milk उसको दिया थोड़ा सा खाने के लिए. And we fed it by prizing its beak gently open with a pencil and pushing pencil to allow it to swallow. We worried this diet with occasional doses of grandmother's homemade plum wine. And as a result, the young crow was soon on the road to recovery. So थोड़े डोजेस उसको बढ़ाते दिए, अच्छा खाना दिया, उसको अच्छे नरिशमेंट मिल गए. So the young crow was soon on the road to recovery. So वो रिकवर होने लगा थोड़ा. Okay. He was offered his freedom, but he did not take it. Instead, he made himself at home in the house. Grandmother, Aunt Mabel, and even some of grandmother's pet objected, but there was no way of getting rid of the bird. He took over the administration of the house. We were not sure that he was male, but we heard him. Kaiser. Before long, Kaiser was going us at meal times, besides feeding his own grubs or beetles in the garden. He danced about on the dining table and gave us no peace until he had been given his small bowl of meat and soup and vegetables. He was always restless, fidgeting about, investigating things. He would hop across a table to empty a matchbox of its content, or rip the daily paper to spreads, or overturn a vase of flowers, or tug at the tail of the dogs. So वो अपने इसमें रहता था crow. So he is not what we can say. He is doing his activities daily. He is grubs the beetle in the garden. He danced on the dining table and gave us no space until he had given his small bowl of meat. अगर उसको वो उसका बाउल नहीं मिलता था तब तक कि वो किसी को जगह ही नहीं देता था. So he was always restless about investigating things. Always restless, कुछ ना कुछ ढूंढता, investigate करते रहता था. He would hop across a table to empty a matchbox of its content, or rip the daily paper to spreads, to shreds, or overturn a vase of flowers, or tug at the tail of one of the dogs. The crow will be the ruin of us, grubbed grandmother, picking marigolds off the carpet. Can't you keep him in a cage? We did try keeping Cassie in the cage, but he was so angry and objected with such a fierce cawing and flapping that it was better for our nerves and peace of mind to give him the run of the house. He did not show any inclination to join the other crows in the banyan tree. Grandfather said this was because he was really a jungle crow. So दूसरे क्रो के साथ बनियान ट्री पे नहीं जाना चाहता था, मिक्स नहीं होता था. So grandfather is saying he was a jungle crow, a raven of sorts, and probably felt a little contemptuous of very ordinary carrion crows. But it seemed to me that Caso, having grown used to living with humans on equal terms, had become snobbish and did not wish to mix with his own kind. He would even squabble with Harold the Hornbill, perching on top of Harold's cage. He would peck at the big bird's feet, whereupon Harold would swear and scold and try to catch the Skazzer through the bars. So, Kaiser, having grown used to living with humans on equal terms, so he's growing. He likes to live with human. Okay, he's growing with the human beings, and he would peck at his big bird's feet, where upon Harold would swear and scold and try to catch the Kaiser through the bars. In time, Kaiser learned to talk a little as ravens sometimes do in a cracked, throaty voice. He would sit for hours outside the window, banging on the glass with his beak and calling, "Hello, hello." He seemed to recognize the click of the gate when I came home from school and would come to the door with a hop, skip, and jump, saying, "Hello, hello." So he seemed to recognize the click of the gate. जैसे गेट खुलता था तो उसको सुनाई देता था. He seemed to recognize the click of the gate when I came from school. जब भी ऑथर स्कूल से वापस आते थे, so he know the click of the gate, that who is there on the gate. So वो पहचान जाता था कि कौन आया है. So I would come to the door with a hop. Door पे आता था hop, skip and jump, saying hello, hello. I had also taught him to sit on my arm and say kiss, kiss. So ये टॉप आर्म के टॉप पे से बैठता था और से बोलता था किस किस. And while he placed his head gently against my mouth. Okay. On one of Aunt Mabel's visit, Kaiser alighted on her arm and cackled kiss kiss. Aunt Mabel was delighted and possibly flattered and leaned forward for a kiss. So Aunt Mabel को भी बहुत अच्छा लगा. वो थोड़ा सा झुक के उसके पास गई. But Cass's attention shifted to my aunt's gleaming spectacles. लेकिन उसका attention spectacle पे गया एकदम से. चश्मे पे वो देखने लगा. And thrusting at them with his beak, he knocked them off. Aunt Mabel never was a success with the pets. और उसको बिग से ये करने लगा, वो स्पेक्टेकल्स को उठाने लगा. So Aunt Mabel never was success with the pets. So in this way, he is very familiar to the people. Okay, he is enjoying the company of the people living there. Okay, and thrashing at them with his beak, he knocked them off. Aunt Mabel never won success with the pets. Okay. Now, pet or pest. Grandmother insisted that Casser was a pest in spite of his engaging habits. वो pet नहीं pest. Grandmother insisted that Casser was a pest in spite of his engaging habits. Okay. So here the Casser he learned sometimes he will cracked with throaty voice. Okay, he would sit hour for outside on the window, banging on the glass with his beak and calling hello hello. So glass window पे बैठता था उसके ग्लास पे टक 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 ऐसे बिग से आवाज करता था वो. ओके रोज जब तक के ऑथर नहीं आते थे और वो पहचानता था कि गेट की आवाज से कि कौन आए ऑथर है या नहीं. ओके सो ही नो आई केम होम from school and would come to the door with her hop, skip, and jump, saying, hello, hello. I had also taught him to sit on my arm and say kiss, kiss, while he placed his head gently against my mouth. So ऐसे बोला कि वो अपना हेड जेंटली उसके मुंह की तरफ लेके जाता था, है ना. So in this way, he is very familiar to the author's place. Okay. So this is the a crow in the house. The story is not finished yet, but we will stop here. So if some new words are there, you can write, search the new words, write them, and go and search in the dictionary. आपको उसको डिक्शनरी में सर्च करना है. Okay. Okay. Yes. So he is familiar with the author and Aunt Mabel also. Okay, Aunt Mabel was delighted and possibly when flattered and leaned forward for a kiss. Okay, but Caesar's attention shifted to my aunt's gleaming spectacles. And thrashing at them with his beak, he knocked them off. Aunt Mabel never was a success with the pets. Okay, so a crow in the house. You had seen so many times a parrot in the house is familiar with all the members in the house. He is speaking very nicely, okay, in a sweet voice. So this thing happens when you feed the birds or whatever the animals there, so they will very loyal to us. For example, this crow, a crow in the house. Now what you have to do, you have to learn, read this story, read the lesson, the crow in the house. Read the lesson, the crow in the house. Okay. Bye.